Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, December 2nd. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Almost done, actually. Today's essay is titled Healing Ourselves. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Buddha. In this world, hate never yet dispelled hate. Only love dispels hate. This is the law, ancient and inexhaustible. One of the most difficult things about healing from being hurt by others is how to put wounds to rest when those who have hurt us will not give air to the wound, will not admit to their part in causing the pain. I have struggled with this deeply. Time and again, I find myself confusing the want for justice with the need for a witness of the wound. Physical wounds are hard to miss, but emotional wounds are seldom visible. This is why they must be looked at and acknowledged if we are ever to heal. Yet, so often, our pain is compounded by the very human fact that we may never agree on the nature of what happened. If we do, we may never admit it to each other. Or the amends we feel we so deserve may go with the hurtful one to the grave. As with so many other crucial negotiations in life, what's required is to honor what lives within us. We must bear witness to ourselves, for there is no power as embracing or forgiving as the authority of that portion of God that lives in each of us. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And breathing easily, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is already good enough about it. And you, in this moment, are equally good enough. Nothing to change. See if this reminder helps you touch a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom. Enter into a space where all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now simply sit quietly in this moment until you begin to feel at ease, at peace, feeling safe. And when you do, bring into view a wound that hasn't healed. What is it? How does it feel to remember it? Breathing steadily, look directly at this wound, simply bearing witness to yourself and all you have been through. Simply bearing witness to yourself and all you've been through. And gradually ask compassion, self-compassion, to be your ally, to be the air that cleanses this wound. Maybe you need to say some words to yourself, maybe you need to give yourself a hug, or whatever it is that feels right and appropriate in this moment. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And if the memory or the emotion or all the sensations and thoughts and reactions regarding this wound that came in this practice, if they come up during your day, give yourself compassion. Simply bearing witness to this wound and everything you've been through because of it. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.